Waterproofing your foundation, the exterior. We start by digging down the foundation wall. This is a sunroom that water has been coming down the hill and flooding into that sunroom. You can see how wet the area is just by the mark of where we've excavated.
You can see the watermark here along the wall. This is also the floor level. This is where all the water has been coming into the sunroom. So what we need to do is excavate along this exterior wall. This is a great project for the DIY, and I promise you can do this.
We get down to the footer, we clean that off, and then we dig down along the side of the footer.
So the real secret to waterproofing these types of foundations is you need to be alongside of the footer. Yes, you could be on top of that footer, but if you can put that drain right along the side of the footer, it will work so much better. This is well below the floor. This will guarantee that any water that gets into this area will be carried away by the footer pipe.
This is a fairly large overpour of a footer, but we need to get down about 3 or 4 inches below that. Once we've excavated to just below the top of that footer, we went ahead and painted the wall with liquid rubber.
This is how your footer pipe should be set up. Can you see that we are just below the top of the footer? We have a base of gravel, and then we surround that pipe with more gravel. This gravel is going to come up the wall quite high, but this is a great example of how it should be when you install this footer pipe.
Installed our perforated pipe with gravel surrounding it. Remember, that's the footer tile. It all leads to that sump pump. The sump pump will lift the water up and out and pump it out to the street. Here you can see the pit, the discharge line from the pump. You can also see the downspout drain and the footer coming into the pit. Now we're laying the discharge line, which is 1.5-inch pipe, out to the street. We will backfill all that and cover it up nicely. One last thing to do is to drill the curb hole. We're using a diamond bit drill to get through so we can put the 1.5-inch pipe out to the street. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.
Got to watch for more shorts about this guy. You will laugh and laugh.